Okay, so today we are at Lushan Country Life again, and that's the tour guide today, Jay. And I think Jay, what do you think of the group today?
Well, I have a good group, I actually love them. These people are actually my first set of people who came here, and they paid so much attention into what I was saying.
Oh,
so I
wow.
love them.
Excellent,
Yeah,
excellent.
Come on.
So as you guys come forth, I just want to know what this meant to you. Just come through and just tell us in your own words what it meant to you.
A very great experience in St. Lucia.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, I.
A very nice tour, very enlightening with what you can do with things of nature in St. Lucia. Yaman?
Yeah, man.
An absolute fabulous experience.
Back to nature in St. Lucia. Thank you.
It's great to see all the plants and how people work. It was really a great experience.
Oh, it's a beautiful island. Thank you.
This was fun, and with Arthur and Jay in the jungle.
Great hospitality and love Mama. Inner peace because I love being in the woods.
Great people, and we would love to meet Mama.
Yeah, it was a unique experience and you felt part of the family.
Of all the trips I've taken, this has been far the best. Really recommend it.
You guys watch your heads. Be very careful, okay? Now, like I said, if you can limbo, join me if you're young like me. If you're not, please don't break your back, all right? Be careful, all right? So you come this way. Can you guys limbo? Limbo, limbo, whoop, whoop, limbo, limbo, whoop,